POET continues to make progress on its customer engagements and manufacturing plans. Here to discuss is Raju Kankipati, who has a new title, Chief Revenue Officer. Raju, congratulations, and tell us what that means.
Thank you, Adrian. So basically, our customer acquisition efforts are going really well. And now we are reaching to the next level of conversation with some of our customers, where we are talking about our production ramp plans and the capacity, which makes us confident that we'll be generating revenue growth going forward for the company. So, my role will help me to manage and keep a pulse on every aspect of the company that relates to customers, products, and revenue. As we get into 2025, it is extremely important for us to maintain focus on the key products and deliver on our production goals. For example, our 800 gig product suite is my focus at the moment because that is where the majority of the market demand is.
And one of the sales pitches you're making is a unique 2-for-1 or almost 2-for-1 deal where a customer can design an 800G 2x FR4 module using POET's optical engines and get a DR8 version as well as kind of a bonus. Can you explain how POET can do that and what the reaction has been?
Sure. So there are two most predominantly deployed single mode fiber solutions in AI and cloud data centers. So there are the FR4 type, which is four wavelengths multiplex solution, and then there is the DR4 type, which is a parallel solution. Typically, most module makers either focus on only one of these types, or the big companies have two separate teams working on these solutions in parallel. So you're essentially spending R&D resources on two projects. So, the game changing architecture that we are providing with our technology is to develop only one design, and the customer basically gets the other one for almost free with just some incremental effort. So, we are able to offer such flexibility because of our interposer based engine architecture. Our engines for FR4 and DR4 or 2x FR4 and DR8 are identical in a sense, except for the chip length. So the module makers can make one board to fit both the engine types and get two module designs with the effort of one. So that's the differentiation.
Great. And the other significant news from the company has been the announcement that it is taking control of Superphotonics Xiamen, which is currently a joint venture, and expanding production capacity in Malaysia because of high demand for AI hardware. How do these moves help the company and your sales efforts?
Good question. So now that we have proven that our technology works and works really well, so customers want to know how we are going to manufacture the optical engines at a scale that is required by the industry and in multiple jurisdictions. I mean, this move to work with contract manufacturer in Malaysia and simultaneously consolidate ownership of Superphotonics gives us the chance to serve many markets and meet the demand we expect in 2025 and beyond. So this gives us the flexibility to implement our China plus one strategy that we have discussed in the past. So we have a means now to serve the China market ourselves through our operations in Xiamen and the rest of the world through Malaysia. So at this point, we feel we have answered all the questions the industry has had of us. And those are normal questions for any large company to have about a small size company like ours, right? So the expansion of POET's manufacturing capacity provides this peace of mind to our customers that we can reliably deliver on the purchase orders we expect them to make.
And that's some really exciting news you've shared there, Raju. Thank you for the update, and good luck with your ongoing efforts heading into the holiday season and what looks like a very exciting 2025.
Definitely. Yeah. Thanks, Adrian. We look forward to 2025 after a good holiday season.